Hey everyone, in this full guide, I'll show you how to edit Reels in DaVinci Resolve in 2026. So whether you're creating Instagram Reels, TikTok-style edits, motivational clips, travel videos, or cinematic short-form content, DaVinci Resolve gives you powerful tools for creating smooth and professional-looking vertical videos. First, open DaVinci Resolve and create a new project from the Project Manager screen. Before editing, change the timeline resolution to a vertical format like 1080 by 1920. Next, import your video clips, music, sound effects, and images into the media pool. Now drag your clips onto the timeline and arrange them in the order you want for the reel. To keep reels engaging, trim unnecessary moments and use quick cuts throughout the video. Before exporting, preview the full reel carefully and check timing, captions, transitions, and audio sync. Once everything looks good, open the Deliver page and export the reel in high quality using vertical settings. After exporting, upload the video to Instagram Reels or other short-form platforms and add captions, hashtags, and thumbnails before publishing. And that's basically how to edit Reels in DaVinci Resolve in 2026. With fast pacing, music syncing, captions, and cinematic effects, you can create professional-looking short-form content directly from your PC or laptop. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.